What is that, bro? What is it? What is it? What's in there? What's in the box? What's in the box? Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I am unboxing a whole bunch of goodies that I got for the G8. So before we get into that, I just want to give you a quick update on how it's looking. I was just at the shop earlier today and the engine is all put back together, assembled, ready to go, and it is going into the car as we speak, which means it's going to be ready to pick up here in the next day or two. Of course, when I go pick it up, we'll do a video on that, and then we'll do all kinds of videos on breaking the car in, dyno tune, numbers, all that other good stuff. But in the meantime, it's time to open up just a bunch of stuff that I got for the car. If you have not pressed that subscribe button, now would be a good time so that you don't miss out on anything that we're doing with the car. Okay, enough of that. Let's get into the unboxing. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items to unbox. I'm going to unbox them in no particular order really as far as value or size. Just gonna go in just kind of random, but I am gonna save the best for last. The best for last. All right, we'll start with, oops, the red box first. It is Spider. I guess I should probably set this on the ground. All right, so we got a Spider Auto instruction menu, looks like it. Yep, nice. Oh, and there they are. New tail lights. So what do you guys think? Actually, you know what? Probably take it out of the plastic to get a better idea of how they look. Hold that thought. I'm gonna try some magical video editing. All right, here comes the magic. Come on, come on. All right, that's what they look like. Man, these are clean. So when I ordered these, I didn't realize that I could order them either in clear like this or in smoke. I really wasn't paying attention. Now that they've come in, they're a little louder, I guess that's the best way to put it, than I was expecting. I probably should have gone for the smoke. Maybe I'll get the smoked ones in the future, or maybe I'll just put a film on this guy and smoke it out myself. Either way, even just like that, they look really good. Those look sharp. See what it looks like around the other side. Pretty standard fare. Should be an easy install. Alright, let's see if there's anything else in here. Obviously the other one. Looks like we got wiring stuff, harnesses. We'll need that, those are important. And that's about it. Okay, that takes care of that. Good job. Can you guys see that? Yeah. There it is. Ooh, look at that beauty. So we got the front air splitter, carbon fiber, of course. This thing is actually pretty. What do you think, bud? What do you think? Do you like it? Can you see yourself in there? What is it, bud? What is it? What do you see? What is it? Is it safe? Is it safe, Jaeger? What do you smell? Okay, I think it's safe. Okay, front air splitter. Gonna go. Good boy. You're getting your nose slobber mocos everywhere on this thing. So this thing's got some pretty good weight on it. I think what I'm gonna do before I install it is I'll take this part right here and just paint that, or plastic dip it really, red. So I'll tape everything off and just get this front part a nice bright red, and I think that'll add some really good contrast to it, and it'll really match up really well with the white on the car. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, I see your back. We've got a manual. I think it's manual, or maybe it's just a it's like a sales brochure. These bad boys. Ooh, got a little swag in here too. Let's check it out. We'll definitely be needing these. Oops. You guys see that? And we got, do we have a sticker? Sticker. Sweet. Alright, all kinds of goodies. Put that away. Over here. This isn't really a part right here so much as it's, I guess that's not really a part. Focus. So much as it is just kind of a mod, I guess. But it's yellow tint. I'm gonna go ahead and tint the headlights yellow with this guy. I'll do an install video on that. And yeah, not too terribly exciting, but you know, part of the build. We got the taillights, we got the yellow tint. I know, not really a part, but close enough. And the front air splitter, carbon fiber, of course. Which means now we go to the big box. If you read the title in the thumbnail, you already know what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it anyway. But I wanted to share something with you guys before we get too far into that unboxing. So this is a carbon fiber hood from Maverick Man Carbon. I have not ordered anything from them before, not sponsored by them in any way, but from everything that I've seen online and read, they make really good products, and it seems like it's a really trustworthy company, so I went ahead and ordered it. They are very clear on their shipping and handling policies, and pretty much when it gets delivered, you have to open it before you sign for it. So, you know, the delivery guy will show up to the house with the box, you open it, and you have to make sure that there is no damage done to it in any way, shape, or form, whether it's in shipping, in transit, delivery, or even from the factory. And so if it's something that was from the factory, maybe it was a defect or it was damaged before it was shipped, obviously they'll cover it, so you're good. And if it was damaged in shipping, then the shipping company will obviously take care of it, and then you'll get another hood. Either way, you're covered. But you have to inspect it before you sign for it. Once you sign for it and the guy leaves, you're done. So if you don't inspect it, you could run into some problems. We inspected it, looks good, and then after that, we signed for it. I put it back in the box and left it there until I was ready to film. And so now, I know what's in there, obviously. But now I get to share it with you guys. Okay. You guys ready? Oh. Ta-da! I know, that's a little anticlimactic.
Ooh, man. How about a little sneak peek? Up. Yeah. Yeah. There we go.
There it is, carbon fiber hood. This feels solid, man. This feels, it just feels firm. This is a really nice product already. It just feels right. Now, over here, on the other side, I really like how it's complete. I mean, this is a very complete product. I've never bought a carbon fiber hood, but this seems good. And then over here, there they are. Focus. Focus needs more focus. Arrow catch. So we've got our pins. The installation, I'll do an installation video on this as well. But this one makes me nervous because this one requires that I drill into this beautiful hood, and that makes me nervous. But that's okay. So that's 4 down. You saw the carbon fiber hood. That was the most expensive item on the list. However, I told you I would save the best for last, and I did. This product, according to the manufacturer, whoops, I almost dropped it, will assist in weight reduction, reduce your quarter mile, and help in aerodynamics. Oh man, this is like a top secret part that nobody knows about. Carbon fiber wallet. Haha, that's right. Oh, look at that reflection. It does assist in weight reduction because it's carbon fiber. It does assist in aerodynamics because look at how skinny it is, because after you're done spending all this money, you have no money in your wallet. Cool. That was it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, follow the channel. Also follow us on Instagram at autovice.usa. And I guess now I'm just gonna go pick up the Pontiac and do the next video. Sweet. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.